Aston Martin factory driver Alex Lynn will join an expanded Blancpain GT Series campaign by the R-Motorsport squad in 2019. The former Williams Formula One development driver will contest the 5B GTS Endurance rounds in one of the two new Aston Martin Vantage GT3s fielded by the R-Motorsport run team, which will contest the sister Blancpain GT World Challenge Europe for the first time. R-Motorsport will also enter a third car in Spa 24 Hours Blue Ribbon GTS Enduro in July. Lynn will race alongside team regulars Jake Dennis and Marvin Kirchhofer in R-Motorsport's reshuffled lineup for its second season in the Endurance Cup. The other car will be raced by Matthew Vaux-Xavier, factory Aston driver Maxime Martin and Matt Perry, who joined the team for this month's Bathurst 12 Hours. Dennis, who is also part of R-Motorsport's DTM campaign under the Aston banner, was previously teamed with Vaux-Xavier and Nicky Thiem in the lineup that scored R-Motorsport's maiden BGTS in last May's Silverstone round with the outgoing Aston V12 Vantage model. Kirchhofer will also compete for the overall BGTS crown with an attack on the World Challenge, which was previously known as the BGTS Sprint Cup. He will share with Ricky Collard, who raced for R-Motorsport in last year's Gulf 12 Hours at the Yas Marina circuit in Abu Dhabi. The second car will be raced by GP3 race winner Aaro Vinio and Hugo de Sadelier, a two-time winner in the European Le Mans Series with United Autosports. Collard and de Sadelier will then team up in the additional car for Spa alongside Ferdinand Habsburg, another driver who is also part of the R-Motorsport Aston DTM project. R-Motorsport team principal Florian Kamelger said, "We're lining up with our team in the Endurance and Sprint Cup for the first time and have a broad base of drivers to call on, made up of well-proven and successful individuals from last year as well as interesting, talented newcomers. The guys are all hungry for success and have a promising car in the new Aston Martin Vantage V."